Legal debt resolution is a particularly effective strategy to deal with unsecured debts. You should understand that debt collectors cannot force you to pay on unsecured debts like credit card and medical bills without taking you to court, prove that you owe the debt, that they have the legal right to collect, and then win a favorable judgment. Even then, there are circumstances when you may not have to pay them. Once you stop paying on your debt, the bank charges off the account and immediately recoups their loss through insurance payout and tax write-offs. Soon thereafter, they will sell your accounts to a debt collection company at pennies on the dollar. They sell thousands of accounts in bulk at a time, every month, with a spreadsheet having very minimal information on the accounts being sold, just name, address, and amount they claim you owe. Once the account is sold, you are in the driver's seat and can play offense. Debt validation is a right that is given to you by federal law, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. The law states that you have the right to request debt validation and that the debt collector has to inform you that you have this right. If the debt collector does not validate the debt, when requested, they must stop all collection activities till they do. The debt buyer in most cases will not have sufficient information as required by law to prove that that debt is valid, since in the vast majority of cases they will have inadequate or inaccurate documentation. A good attorney can get a speeding ticket dismissed 9 out of 10 times by challenging it in court. In the case of charged-off debts, it is even easier to challenge and demand validation of the debt, since by law, the debt collection company must provide complete records and accurate information, which they almost never can. In most cases, the debt collector just walks away once they see you have legal representation and they need to comply with the law. Once the debt is proved to be invalid, or legally invalidated, or uncollectible because of lack of response by the collection agency, it gets removed from your credit report entirely, and you only pay the legal fees.